Last week we had our conservatory roof insulated, and we wanted it done for quite a while because in the winter it would be absolutely freezing in here, even with a radiator and a heater on. And then in the summer it would be the complete opposite and be really hot, really stuffy, and that's even with the windows and doors open. So we couldn't really use the room for most of summer. I found Conservatory Installations UK on Facebook and looked at all the reviews. There's hundreds of them and they're all really positive. So we had a quote from them and we had a couple of quotes from different companies as well. And we decided to go with them, and they were really good at communicating. They chatted before about a leak that we had and they came and fixed that at the same time as doing the installation. They were really professional. And we're so happy with how it looks now and how it feels, because it's such a big difference. And we now feel that we've got an extra room in our house to use. And I love the added spotlights as well that was included. Thank you so much.